So on the my opinionated peeps. So for today's video we are talking about Spice, Yes. So Spice just recently attended the BET Awards and Spice's outfit kick off some conversation. Now people, everybody has say, yo, Spice look good, but yo, the buff pan Spice is what people talking about. In the comment sections, everybody talking about it, and Spice herself know exactly what go on. We are gonna tell you exactly what Spice have to say, but check out that woman here real quick.
Coconuts, bananas, mango, pineapple, ananas, avocado. Coconut woman is calling out. All the way you can hear her shout. Coconut woman is calling out. All the way you can hear her shout. Coconut water, good for your daughter. Good for your daughter. A woman told me the other day how to take the sweet man away. I asked her what was the misery. She told me coconut water and white rum. You can put it in the pot. Coconut, you can have it very hot. Coconut, it make you strong like a lion. Coconut, coconut. Alright, Miss Lou.
Now, if we don't know nothing about Jamaicans, we know for sure Jamaicans, we are very innovative and talented and gifted, and we always do the best at anything we do. And this lady here right here, she make me feel good for calling myself a Jamaican, because she has sell her coconut water, she has sell her avocado, she has sell her thing them, and she does sing along with it. Yo, she kind of remind me of Miss Lou. You see? So big up on yourself, people. Me like for you don't promote little things like this when time I see them, but we are gonna move right along. So as you know right now, so TV personality Steve Harvey is actually in Jamaica right now, and already Jamaicans are kicking up a bunch of talks. I say, things about Steve Harvey being in Jamaica, but Steve Harvey is actually in Jamaica, and it says American comedian and talk show host Steve Harvey arrives aboard a private jet at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay for tomorrow's Sagicor motivational seminar at the Iberia Star Grand Rose Hall in St. James. And people, since Steve Harvey landed, a lot of people say, yo, what's the big deal and thing? And it's all about more money Jamaica go spend out, and when poor people they're hungry. Check out the comment here. So this person commented and said, Steve Harvey is going to be paid $75,000 to give a motivational speech to the 10% extremely wealthy Jamaicans and a few middle-class citizens who can afford to attend the seminars. No, neither am I envy or jealous of Steve's status, but I am sure his experience and development in America is far different from our own Jamaican struggles. Why not pay that money to one of our to do the same job? Because we're frightened for foreigner, is what that person had to say. No, me not gonna say much on that, but you know already, a phone time now. If you jump in the comment section and give phone opinion.
Himself, Steve Harvey.
Alright, moving right along. Now, Shensia, more want to check out Shensia, people. Seeing Shensia proud of her son so much because she constantly show him up and talk a lot about him. And he's a nice little youth for real. Yes, I say, check him out. Oh, the youth are grew and making him mother proud. I just want to show him that little video. Yeah.
Hey, cheese. Say it like this.
Like this?
No.
How? Can I do this?
No, like this.
Okay, ready? Cheese.
No, no.
I don't want that pose. Just take it like this first.
Say cheese.
Yeah, cheese.
Then
Ready?
say nice and now.
Cheese.
Say nice and now.
Nice and now.
Now. Get. Yeah.
Come look on this.
You like it?
What?
You like it?
Let me see it. I have to see it. It's so nice. Thank you.
I used to grandma.
Straight ahead. Yes. She's showing off. She's showing off.
Right to the third mark.
Do I come with you? Yes, Spike. Yes, Spike. Right here, my G. Already. Right here on the blue mark, sir.
Alright, so as we stated earlier, Spice attended the BET Hip Hop Awards, right? And Spice outfit has everybody talking, right? Now, some people are say, yo, Spice, Jano, where Spice get all of that buff from? In the comment sections of her pictures and videos. And Spice posted this to her Instagram platform. She says, popular media wants permission to use one of my images on front page. So please slide and help me choose which one to send them. And please stop watching my vajayjay. My whole body fat. Here's what I say. The people them a go hard pan Spice vajayjay. Here's what I say people. But Spice I say, yo, I know they say a load fat, my whole body fat. Would just come off of that. You understand what I say? Yeah, people. But yeah, comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about Spice's outfit. If you don't like it, if you don't like it. What you have to say? Your opinion time. So guess what? I gone. Talk to me down in the comment section. See you?